Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about one interesting feature I see in my iOS version 13. So also here you can see app with name Voice Memos. So here you can see this app is for recording your voice. So as on the image you can see also some record, and you know what it's the record? It's a record of word apple. So I will show it for you. So here you can see this image, and now I open it. Just click play. Apple. So here you can see this and just look for this. It's the word of apple. So you know it's really very interesting feature. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.